Well, hello again. Deep questions to ask yourself. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Deep, deep, deep questions to ask yourself. What question do I want to know the answer to if it will help humanity? What do I really want from life? What aspect of my personality still needs improvement? Must I take other people's advice? What annoys me the most? Do others find me likable? When was the last time I fell head over heels with life? Am I enriching? Yeah, it's important. Am I enriching other people's lives with what I do? How meaningful is my life? What makes life meaningful? What we owe to each other. Would I lay down my life for somebody? How much money would I be willing to give to those in need if I won the lottery? Am I worthy of being loved? Yes, I am. Yes, you are. What talents and skills do I have that I can do better than anyone else? Thank you, dear unique, for being here and watching my video. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and write a comment for me. Thank you. Always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Ashe. Bye.